Hello, my friends. Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life. I think I start every video that way. Oh, that's funny. Anyway, it has been a month, hasn't it? Hasn't it? I am so excited about the things that are happening, the things that are on the schedule, the things that have already happened for the Stamps of Life. And I have a feeling you have been as busy as I have, and you might have missed one or two things that we released this month. So this video is just going to be a little overview of what we released, and you can do a little check. Remember, we have a checklist on our website. Do your checklist. Make sure you have those items because you don't want to miss out on any of them. We started the month, and you cannot even get this, so I hope you're a Fold It Club member. We started with our Fold It Club. Look at how amazing these wrapped flowers were. Now, if you're not in the Fold It Club, you cannot buy these, so don't look at them. But join the Fold It Club now so you can get in on future items that will not be available on our website. It's like an exclusive club deal, let me just tell you. So that's that one. Then we came out with our Stamp Club. And let me tell you, this little guy is the cutest little guy in the world. I think the one holding the flower is my favorite. So we had our ladybug stamps and dies. So adorable. Look at how cute he is holding that little flower. We also released this ribbon background, which it's stunning. On any card you add it to, it's gonna be stunning. We also, of course, you know me, I added extra ladybugs because that's just how Stephanie rolls. She always needs more, and there we go. I absolutely love them. Then I released a tulip Fold It. Look at this over here, you guys. What? I know, isn't that amazing? This is a box. This is a box. You can turn our Fold Its into boxes, you guys. Look at how cute that is. Love it. Then, unfortunately, we all kind of need this one, but it's the awareness ribbon. If you know anyone that's fighting something or that has something that would really appreciate something important like this, you saying, hey, you're on my mind. I miss you. I'm thinking about you. I need you to know I'm praying for you. This is the set you'll need. We also came out with the True Warrior stamp set that goes perfectly with this ribbon. I love it. We also, oh, here's another one. Sorry, I had to show you another ladybug because the ladybug just kind of flew in there. We also released our amazing Deckle Edge squares with the stitch dot, stitch dot, stitch dot pattern. Whoa! If you have not gotten this, this is going to be one of those you grab all the time. So get it quick. We also released a new type of die called the Stand and Say. I know how much you all love the stamps that we have that literally are vertical. Well, now we're kind of moving those into the die section, and now we have this Lucky to Know You. So it could be for St. Patrick's Day, or it could be for every day. Now, of course, it also goes on our gatefold cards. You can do other things with it, or you could even put it on our bookmark die set. Love it, right? Isn't that awesome? Now, here's another one of those swirly chains because you know me, I can never stop with just one. As always, then we released our Try background die. So lucky. Again, these are interchangeable with all of our other A2 Tribe background dies, so you can mix and match them and you can do different pieces for each one. They're all interchangeable. So that's just going to make your dies even more versatile, right? Love it. Then, happy St. Patty's Day. This is on our leprechaun hat. Also could be a Frosty the Snowman hat, but look at how cute and large and in charge those words are. Aren't they amazing? Love them. We also released our bookmark dies, our shaped bookmark dies. So we had the regular bookmark over there. We had this kind. This one's been out for a long time, but now we have shaped bookmarks. And if you didn't see me use these in action, I need you to go watch that video because when you see them actually in a book, you just go, what? Yeah, that's true. That's true. Here we go. We released our books of the Bible. Perfect for your creative decks or for your little tabs for your actual Bible. You do it your way, but you know what? You're going to love it. Then we also released this bracket tag set. This was a catch-up item. This is something that came out in one of our kits a few years ago. Perfect for your gift bags. I recycle all of my gift bags. I use them all the time until they literally fall apart. So I die cut a whole bunch of these to make little gift tags for all of my gift bags. Smart, right? Then we released our book banner die. Now I'm calling it a book because that's kind of how I envisioned it. And Cheryl did exactly what I was envisioning. So here we go. It has a spiral bound using your cinch machine. And now I have the perfect album. Look at this. All of the banner shapes. Perfect, so cute, perfect for Father's Day or any day. Imagine giving this to a friend that's now a new grandparent. A brag book. Oh my goodness, isn't that amazing? Wouldn't that be fun? It can go vertical or horizontal. The choice is yours. Last but not least, we also release our Sweet Treats stamps and dies. We had the stamps and the dies that match. Perfect for any time you just need something a little tiny sweet. My friends, if you missed out on any of these items, make sure you go to our website, ASAP. Go check them out. Club members, you know the deal. You get the club discount on these. And if you're not a club member, I just don't know what to say. Go to our website, thestampsoflife.com, click on Join the Club, and just watch that video. That's all I want you to do. $13.99 a month includes a brand new stamp set sent to you automatically. That's the cost of what? One coffee at one of those fancy coffee places? Then you're unlocking so many club benefits. You're getting the 15 to 20% discount off of every single item, every single order, every single day on my website. You are also earning club points for every shipment. You're also getting freebies every couple months. And on your anniversary month, you get a $15 gift certificate to our website. I'm literally, you guys, let's be honest, I'm literally trying to bribe you to be my friend by giving you all these awesome discounts. So go check it out, thestampsoflife.com, and you know what? I'm going to see you there. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.